Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on PySpark SQL's lower and upper functions. In this video, we'll show you how to easily change the case of string columns in your data frame, whether you need to convert everything to lowercase or uppercase. These functions are incredibly useful for cleaning up text data, standardizing case formatting, or performing case insensitive comparisons. Let's dive in and see how you can simplify your data transformation process with these two powerful functions. Introduction to lower and upper functions. The lower and upper functions in PySpark are essential tools for standardizing text data by converting string columns to lowercase and uppercase, respectively. These functions are particularly useful when working with text that may have inconsistent case formatting, such as names, product descriptions, or any other string data. For example, data entered in different cases, such as John and John, might need to be normalized to ensure uniformity. The lower function converts all characters in a string column to lowercase, making it easier to perform case insensitive comparisons or searches. This is especially helpful when you're filtering data or looking for matches in a dataset, as differences in letter case can lead to errors in results. Similarly, the upper function transforms all characters in a string column to uppercase. This can be useful for situations where uppercase formatting is required, such as standardizing headings, codes, or acronyms. Both of these functions allow you to clean and prepare your text data by ensuring that case formatting is consistent across your dataset. Whether you're trying to improve data comparison accuracy or simply create a more uniform format, the lower and upper functions offer a simple yet powerful solution for managing case in PySpark. Basic syntax. In PySpark, the lower and upper functions are used to convert the characters of a string column to lowercase and uppercase, respectively, making them essential tools for standardizing text data. The basic syntax for using these functions involves importing lower and upper from PySpark.sql.functions and then applying them to the desired data frame column using the select method. For example, to convert a string column to lowercase, you can use dataframe.select lower column.alias lowercase underscore column. The lower function will take the values in the specified column and transform all the characters to lowercase. By renaming the result with the alias function, you create a new column such as lowercase underscore column to reflect the change. Similarly, you can use dataframe.select upper column.alias uppercase underscore column to convert the characters of a string column to uppercase. The upper function transforms all the letters in the column to uppercase, which is useful when uniform uppercase formatting is required. Why use lower and upper functions? The lower and upper functions are invaluable when it comes to standardizing text data and ensuring case insensitive comparisons across datasets. These functions help eliminate issues that arise from inconsistent capitalization in string fields such as names, addresses, or product descriptions. For instance, entries like John and John can cause problems during filtering or matching operations, leading to inaccuracies in your analysis. By using lower to convert everything to lowercase or upper to transform everything to uppercase, you ensure uniformity in the text data, making comparisons much more reliable. These functions are particularly useful in data cleaning processes where inconsistent case formatting is common. For example, user entered data often varies in terms of capitalization, and standardizing the case across large datasets helps create a clean and uniform dataset. Whether you're preparing names for display, ensuring addresses are consistently formatted, or making sure product descriptions follow the same case pattern, these functions allow you to clean your data efficiently. Practical examples. 1. Converting a column to lowercase. In this example, we are using the lower function in PySpark to convert the product underscore name column of a data frame to lowercase. The data frame DF contains product names like product A, product B, and product C. To ensure consistency or perform case insensitive comparisons, we may want to standardize these names by converting all characters to lowercase. To achieve this, we apply the lower function to the product underscore name column using the select method. The lower function converts each string in the column to lowercase, ensuring that any uppercase letters are transformed. The result is then given a new column name lowercase underscore product underscore name using the alias function to reflect the change. When we display the result using the show method, we see that product A becomes product A, product B becomes product B, and product C becomes product C. This transformation makes the text data consistent by ensuring that all product names are in lowercase, which is particularly useful for tasks like filtering, searching, or matching, where case differences might otherwise lead to discrepancies. This simple example demonstrates how the lower function can be used to standardize string data in a data frame, making it easier to work with and ensuring consistency across your dataset. 2. Converting a column to uppercase. In this example, we are using the upper function in PySpark to convert the product underscore name column of a data frame to uppercase. The data frame DF contains product names like product A, product B, and product C. Converting these values to uppercase ensures that all characters in the product names are consistently formatted, which can be useful for tasks such as standardizing data for display or ensuring consistency across different datasets. To perform the conversion, we apply the upper function to the product underscore name column using the select method. The upper function transforms each string in the column by converting all lowercase letters to uppercase. We then rename the resulting column to uppercase underscore product underscore name using the alias function, which makes it clear that the transformation has been applied. When we display the result using the show method, we see that product A becomes product A, product B becomes product B, and product C becomes product C. By converting all characters to uppercase, this ensures that the product names follow a consistent format, which can be particularly useful when presenting or comparing text data. This example demonstrates how the upper function can help standardize text formatting in a PySpark data frame, making the data more uniform and easier to manage for tasks like display, reporting, or analysis. 3. Combining lower and upper with other functions. In this example, we are demonstrating how to concatenate two columns in a PySpark data frame and then convert the resulting string to either lowercase or uppercase. The data frame df underscore names contains two columns, first underscore name and last underscore name with names such as John Doe, Jane Smith, and Tom Brown. Our goal is to combine these two columns into a full name and then apply case transformation to either lowercase or uppercase. First, to concatenate the first underscore name and last underscore name columns, we use the concat function along with the lit function to insert a space between the first and last names. This ensures the full name is properly formatted with the space separating the two parts. In the first example, we apply the lower function to the concatenated result, converting the full name to all lowercase letters. We use the alias function to rename the resulting column to lowercase underscore full underscore name, clearly indicating the transformation. When the result is displayed using the show method, John Doe becomes John Doe, Jane Smith becomes Jane Smith, and Tom Brown becomes Tom Brown. In the second example, we perform a similar operation, but this time we apply the upper function to the concatenated result. This converts the full name to all uppercase letters. Again, we use the alias function to rename the resulting column, this time as uppercase underscore full underscore name. When the result is displayed using the show method, John Doe becomes John Doe, Jane Smith becomes Jane Smith, and Tom Brown becomes Tom Brown. These examples demonstrate how to combine multiple columns into one and apply text transformations to achieve consistent case formatting. Whether you need to convert the text to lowercase or uppercase, this process ensures that your data is standardized and ready for comparison, analysis, or display. 4. Using lower and upper for case insensitive matching. In this example, we are using PySpark to filter rows in a data frame based on the value of a string column while ignoring case differences. The data frame contains a product underscore name column, and we want to filter the rows where the product name is product A without considering whether the original text is in uppercase, lowercase, or a mixture of both. To achieve this, we use the lower function to convert all the values in the product underscore name column to lowercase. This ensures that we can perform a case insensitive comparison. In the filter condition, we compare the lowercase version of each product name with the string product A. Since both sides of the comparison are in lowercase, the filtering becomes case insensitive, and any variations of product A, e.g., product A will match. The filter method is applied to the data frame to return only the rows where the condition is true. When the result is displayed using the show method, you will see that all rows with a product name equivalent to product A are included, regardless of how the text was originally capitalized. This approach is particularly useful when working with text data that might have inconsistent capitalization, allowing you to perform accurate filtering without being affected by case differences. By using the lower function, you ensure that all variations of the string are treated equally, making the filtering process more flexible and reliable. 5. Handling null values in lower and upper. In this example, we are working with a data frame that contains both string values and null values, and we want to apply the lower and upper functions to convert the string data to lowercase and uppercase while safely handling any null values in the process. The data frame df underscore with underscore nulls contains a single column named name with values such as John a null value, and Tom, our goal is to transform the string data but ensure that null values are not affected or cause errors in the transformation. First, we apply the lower function to the name column to convert all string values to lowercase. The lower function is applied using the select method, and we rename the resulting column to lowercase underscore name using the alias function. Importantly, PySpark handles null values gracefully, meaning that nulls are left unchanged when the lower function is applied. When we display the result using the show method, the string John becomes John and Tom becomes Tom, while the null value remains as none. Next, we apply the upper function in a similar way to convert the name column to uppercase. The upper function transforms all lowercase letters to uppercase, but again null values are preserved and left unchanged. We rename the resulting column to uppercase underscore name using alias, and when we display the result, John becomes John, Tom becomes Tom, and the null value remains as none. This example demonstrates how PySpark's lower and upper functions handle null values efficiently, ensuring that your data is transformed without losing or altering any null entries. This is particularly important in real-world datasets where missing data is common, and ensuring that null values are not disrupted during data cleaning or transformation is essential for maintaining data integrity. That wraps up our tutorial on using the lower and upper functions in PySpark. As you've seen, changing string case is a simple but effective way to standardize your data for cleaner results, especially when working with inconsistent text formats. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future PySpark tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.